Yo guys, what's up? How are we doing? We're back in the studio. This is Alvin, Mark, and today we'll be looking at some gouache paints by Himi. The name of the company is called Miya and they are from Hangzhou in China. Let's pry open this thing right now. The student loaned me this to test out. They come in 18, 24 and 56 color box sets. Look at all the yummy colors. I don't feel like painting, I feel like eating them. The whole container is airtight and it even comes with this plastic palette that you can use. So without further ado, let's just get some painting done. Today I will be painting some strawberries with gouache paints. So stick around and enjoy this one. For this quick study, I'll be using 300 GSM watercolor paper and I'm going to prime it with some gouache, some earthly raw umber-ish yellow ochre color before I begin my piece. And there we have it. Okay, so for those of us who don't know what gouache is, it's basically an opaque watercolor paint. It is fun and versatile to work with because with less water it feels like acrylic paint. And because I oil paint, the paint application also feels like when you're oil painting. When gouache is diluted with water, it feels more like watercolor paint. This is a good set for anyone who wants to try gouache. Also for those of us who dabble using gouache from time to time like myself, one of Himi's selling points is that all the paints come in individual jelly cups, but they all sit in one airtight container, meaning it is very portable. When using gouache, you don't have to worry about the paints drying out like other types of paints, because it can still be used by spraying water to it when it's dried. Also, for those of us who dabble using gouache from time to time, one of Himi's selling points is that all the paints come in individual cups, but they all sit in one airtight container, meaning it is very portable. When using gouache, you don't have to worry about your paints drying out like other types of paints because it can still be used by spraying water to it when it's dried up. And because these jelly cups are deep, only the top layer dries out. This is really inspiring me and motivating me to bring out gouache again for plein airs and maybe even coffee shop visits because it is so handy and you don't have to spend time putting out paints, especially if they come in tubes. Also, these Himi paints are made from high quality pigments and are recommended for artists, students and beginners. Some gouache brands that I've used have that chalky feel, but when applied on paper, these Himi paints are like butter and smooth to the finish. Alright folks, so this is the result of it. It was quite fun because I have all the colors here. They didn't dry up that quickly and I have so many colors to choose from. It's a little bit on the heavy side when you're taking it out of the studio or if you're doing a plein air with it, so you might opt for the 18 colored piece. This is Alvin Mark. I think we're done with this. I hope you enjoyed watching the whole entire process of me washing away the strawberries and the student who lent me this gouache set to try out. Alright guys, so before we end, let's take this out for a spin, yeah? We're gonna gouache away a human being in class, so let's do that right now. Warning though, there are a lot of paints, so carrying these out may feel a little heavy. So if I do ever want to take them out, I'm probably gonna bring out the 18 color box set. The ones with more colors can be left in the studio for use. Good to know that these Himi paints are non-toxic and are made of eco-friendly paint materials, and that the 24 color box set comes with 3 brushes. These come in 30ml plastic cups that look like jelly cups, hence the name. I will leave the links to get these box sets and the refills in the description box down below. So look at all the yummy colors that's out here. Which one do you like? Which one is calling out to you? Do share with me. If you've used gouache before, do tell me what you like about gouache. And also, for those who have not used gouache before, if you like this, all the information I will leave down in the description box. You can actually get this from Amazon. So once again guys, remember to stay safe, be kind, and do what is necessary to protect yourself and those around you. This is Alvin Mark. Until the next episode, you're here at the studio. Ciao ciao.